Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, as Uvuyokazi said, Uguti, she wants to keep her life private and all of that, I'm assuming that her and her boyfriend maybe got into an argument and whatnot, because now she wanted to keep things private, but Mugai was just excited and all of that, and posted these videos and pictures. But now Kesana, Vuyokazi did not agree or deny anything, right? But Chef Xolani Sabelo still has these pictures on his Instagram. He still has these videos on his Instagram, guys. What does that tell you? Even the balloon that was written, "Will you marry me?" is still on his Instagram. So guys, no, we are old enough to see ukuthi it's happening. This thing is real. Because if maybe this was a public stunt of some sort, or maybe they are not dating, just like Uvuyokazi once said, ukuthi they are not dating when there were rumors circulating. If they were not dating, like, these pictures would have been deleted a long time ago, guys, a long time ago. But the pictures are still there, and Chef Xolani decided to close the comment section because he knew that people were coming for him, because others were saying that he owes them and others were saying he's a scammer, and on the other side, other people, we were really, really excited for Uvuyokazi. We were happy for her, clapping for her, proud of her, but it was not all rosy, guys. It was not all rosy, So now Chef Xolani still has these pictures, guys, as we speak. He still has these pictures, and his account is private, so I had to follow him in order to see Uguti, are these pictures still there or not. But the pictures are still there. The comment section is closed, guys. With these pictures still being there, I think this confirms everything. This confirms that these people are dating, even after this drama that happened. If Uvuyokazi dumped him, I think he would have deleted the pictures and, erased everything. That the fact that the pictures are still there, even Uvuyokazi is still there on his Instagram. Hi guys, I think this is a confirmation, but we'll wait for Uvuyokazi to share her side of the story when she is ready, because she said she will share when she is ready. But Sana, this is confirmation, unless Ubuti Sabelo deletes the pictures, then we can say, okay, maybe this guy just posted these pictures, maybe, But Sana, the pictures are still there. Even the message on the flowers at the end there, it is written, we are go X Xolani the guy, So I really don't know. I don't know, guys.